Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my craft room, and yeah, I decided to bring some stuff out here. So let's get started, guys. Now it was much easier for me to start sorting through stuff that I want to keep and the stuff that I need to get rid of out here because it was much more open and the dogs are always in everything. So now this video is part of a collaboration called Declutter My Space, and it's every Monday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and Buckeye Girls Recent Things. So now if you're decluttering, organizing, or cleaning, then this is the video for you. It's an open invitation collaboration, and I list them all in my community tab. So let's get started. So now I have a cabinet that's absolutely filled with these grocery plastic bags, and we're going to put these to good use as we're wrapping stuff either to get rid of and we don't want them to break, or the items that I'm choosing to keep, and they really do work well, so you might want to try this. So let me go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music, guys. Now, this is probably a good opportunity for me to tell you to head on over to the community tab, where there I host monthly collaborations for everybody to enjoy. Remember, they're open invitation collaborations, and so I'm sure there's one of them that you can find to jump in or more. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me here for a while, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.
close that door.
What door?
The sliding door, because I'm going to put the fan on. You're going to go edit while I clean up the room to put stuff outside?
That's it, huh?
What are you going to do?
Like that just really is it.
Okay, so now my son Matthew had to come in and grab that silver bin, but the black garbage bag is stuff I got rid of. Didn't do too bad. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if you have a video cleaning out any area of your home, just record it, upload it, and I will add it to the playlist. Amen.